Pineapple chocolate chip cookies. Oh my gosh. I know you're saying, Fran, I've never heard of these cookies. This is wild. Chocolate chip pineapple cookies? That sounds terrible. Trust me. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is we're going to strain this pineapple. We're going to get all those juices out. We're just going to kind of mash it down until it quits, until it runs dry, I guess. This is the most time consuming. Oh, and I did preheat my oven to 350 degrees. I have a little checklist now. I was always forgetting, all the new subscribers, I was always forgetting to preheat my oven when I first started YouTube. I mean, I could not grasp it. We're just going to put this to the side. Now we're going to put in 1 egg. And we're going to just beat it around just a little bit. Now we need 1.5 cups of packed brown sugar. Okay, we're just going to take and start mixing this brown sugar and this egg together. Just kind of mix it up. If there's any kind of lumps, just kind of break them up a little bit. Okay, now we need 2 sticks of softened butter. And we're just going to kind of mix this around. We don't want them melted, but we do want them soft. Okay, now we're just going to beat it up just a little bit on low speed. Okay, now we're going to take our drained pineapple and we're just going to put it right in our bowl. Okay, so now we need 1/2 cup of this pineapple juice and we're going to put it right in. Now we need about 1/4 teaspoon of almond extract. We don't want very much. A lot of almond extract goes a long way. But it adds so much flavor to these cookies. I'm just saying. Okay, I'm just going to kind of spoon it around just a little bit. Kind of scrape the edges. Okay. 4 cups of cooking oats. 4 cups. Ooh, I need to go find some oats. I didn't have enough. How many have ever been in the middle of a recipe and you run out of something? Well, around here we just compromise. We use what we've got. And I've got some, ooh, there we go. There's 4. We just throw it right in. Use what we've got. I'm not running to the store for 1/4 cup of oatmeal. We need 2 cups of all-purpose flour. 2 cups. Okay. Now I need a teaspoon of baking powder. Now we're going to put in my favorite spice, and that is cinnamon. We need 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg. And now we're just going to kind of go slow and whip it up. that looks good, guys. That looks really good. Okay, guys, I just realized I forgot to put in the salt. So we need 1 teaspoon of salt. And you don't get any flavor if you don't have salt. And so I almost made a mistake. Need 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. So this is 1/2 cup, so we need 3 of these. Okay, 1.5 cups of chocolate chips. Now we need 2 cups of coconut. So 4 of these. So basically the rest of that bag. And we're only going to put in 1/2 cup of chopped pecans. Now we push this in and go slow. That is a beautiful cookie dough. Okay guys, let's start making these cookies. This makes 3 dozen. And we could make them bigger, but we're not going to. Okay, as you all know, I bake my cookies with a double cookie sheet because I do not want the bottoms of my cookies to get too dark. Go ahead and put these in a 350-degree oven. We have a big sheet pan here, and we're just going to start getting these on our cookie sheet. So when the other ones come out of the oven, we're going to pop these right in. How's everybody doing today? Everybody having a good day? Let me know in the comments below if you're having a good day or not. I'm having a pretty good day. I think I might be making these a little too small. I don't know. But I'm used to making great big old cookies, so maybe this is a good change. Coconut, pineapple, pecans, chocolate chips. Can't go wrong. Okay guys, we're going to mash these down a little bit. We don't want them flat, but we want them kind of mashed down. Okay, just like that. Okay, here I am putting the cookie dough in a container, and I'm going to put it in the freezer. These will be great for a later date. That was a lot of cookie dough, so I just decided to freeze it. And when my grandkids come over, we can make cookies without all the mess. This cookie dough freezes beautifully. You will really be shocked at how it freezes and comes out and makes the perfect cookie. Look at these little cookies. Aren't they gorgeous? Oh my gosh, I can't wait to try one. We're going to wait till they cool though, because I will burn my mouth if I don't. Okay guys, let's try one of these cookies. Look at these cookies. Look at the back of them. You see what I mean by using 2 sheet pans? Because it keeps them from being too dark. And that coconut, and we're going to try it. Oh my gosh. Pineapple chocolate chip cookies. Oh my gosh. It's so good. You have to make these wonderful, wonderful pineapple chocolate chip cookies. They'll blow you away. Say thank you guys for coming, hanging out with me in my kitchen today. You guys are the greatest audience on YouTube. You guys go have a wonderful, wonderful day.